press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Hi, hello my dear students. As in the previous session we discussed about living things and non-living things, natural things and man-made things. Natural things means things which are gifted by nature or called natural things. Example, sky, sun, river, these all. And next, man-made things. Things that are made by man for their use is called man-made thing. Okay, see for the example for man-made things, television, bat, ball, board, chalk, see these all. Okay. Next is about living things and non-living things. See, all man-made things are non-living things. Man-made things are all non-living things. Non-living things means they have no life. But living things have life. As living things have a special characteristics. Those are living things can move, living things can grow, living things can need food, living things breathe, living things can feel and living things can reproduce. These are all the characteristics in living things. But in non-living things cannot. Non-living things cannot move, breathe, grow, reproduce. They cannot feel. But living things can. Okay. Next. Living things can move. Yes, living things can move from place to place to search food, to shelter and then protect themselves. Yes, some living things, example, cow, dog, sheep, they move from place to place by using limbs. And then birds and butterflies, they use wings to fly. And then fish use fins to swim. And then frog use their legs to jump. And then snake are crawling. Okay, about all these things we studied in the previous session. And next we studied about living things can grow also. Yes, living things can grow. It's increasing of their size and shape. Increasing of their size and shape. See, new baby plant can grow into a tree or a plant, big plant. And next, infant baby. See, infant baby is grow into a little boy or girl and then become a what? Woman or woman. See, these all happens in only in the living things but not non-living things. Okay, next one is living things need food. Living things need food. Okay, why living things need food? Living things need food to live. They need to live. They utilize this food for their growth. For their living things need food for their growth, energy and strength. See, living things need food for their growth, for energy, for strength. And for live, to survive their life, they need what? Food and also water. See, these water and food are basic needs of living things. Basic needs of living things are food and water. Both they need to survive their life. Okay. Yes. What they eat? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ ಏನು ತಿನ್ನತ್ತೆ? ಸಿ some animals eat solid and liquid things. Some animals like to eat only solid, some animals like to eat only liquid. Okay, see for example human beings are eat solids and as well as liquid things also. For example, solid means they can eat rice, chapati, meat, these all. And liquid like a juice and milk and water, see they can feed these all also. Okay, see all animals all animals are depend on plants for their food, but plants can prepare their own food by using what? Air, water and sunlight. As the plants are not depend on animals, plants can prepare their own food by using what? By using air, means carbon dioxide, okay, next water and sunlight. By using all these, plants can prepare their own food. Okay, what about animals? See, animals cannot prepare their own food. They depend for food for plants. See, all animals are depend for food for plants. See, in the previous class we discussed, in the previous lesson we already discussed about some animals like to eat only herb, means herbivorous. Some animals like to eat only flesh, is called carnivorous, and some animals can eat both plants and also flesh, are called what? Omnivores. About all things we studied in the previous lesson, isn't it? See, all animals are depend on plants only. Okay, see, animals cannot prepare their own food directly or indirectly also. They are depend food for plants. Okay, see, next about some animals, for example infant babies only feed what? Milk. It's a solid thing. Okay, see, for example some animals babies also feed what? Milk. Yes, in animals they have a different type of food habits, in animals, isn't it? Some animals like to eat flesh and as well as herbs also. Okay, yes, all animals need food to live. Okay, and what about the non-living things? Example, what? A desk. Okay, take desk or a board. See, this board need food? No, they do not want food to survive lives. See, this non-living thing means a board is they have no life, so this board is no life, so that's why they don't want food, they don't want energy, they don't want strength, they don't want growth. So idu growth agodilla, energy no beda, idಕ್ಕೆ strength beda, so that's why they don't want need food. So board is what? Non living thing. Okay, see, next one characteristic, it is living things can breathe. Living things can what? Breathe. Okay, living things need food. Yes, living things need food for their growth, strength and energy. Okay, and living things need food for to survive their life. See, all living organisms like animals, human beings are all depend food for plants, but plants are not depend food for animals or either human. They can prepare their own food by using what? Air, water and sunlight. But non-living things, they don't want any food because they have no life. And next one is living things can breathe. Living things can breathe. ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಉಸಿರಾಡೋದು, ಉಸಿರಾಟದ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲೈವ್, ಬದುಕಿದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಅದು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಹ್ಯೂಮನ್ ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ಸ್. All livings, okay, for breathing purpose they need air. For to breathing they need what? Air. Air andre gali. So our earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Because of atmosphere only the life exists on the earth, isn't it? See, ನಮ್ಮ ಭೂಮಿ ಸುತ್ತ ಏನಿದೆ? ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ವಾಯುಮಂಡಲ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಅರ್ಥನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಲೈಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸು. ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬೇರೆ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾನೆಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವುದೇ ವೀನಸ್ ಆಗಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನೆಪ್ಚೂನ್, ಫ್ಲೂಟೋ, ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲೂ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ, ಲೈಫ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್, ದೇರ್ ಈಸ್ ನೋ ವಾಟರ್. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ಹಿಯರ್ ಈಸ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅರ್ತ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮಾತ್ರ ಏನಾಗಿದೆ, ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ ಇದೆ. ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಫು ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿರೋದು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ we need air to breathe. Not only we, all living organisms means it's a living things. Okay, all living organisms need air to breathe. See, all living organisms air to breathe. Okay, see, we need oxygen to breathe. Means human beings and animals also. Animals also need oxygen to breathe. So ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೇಕು ಟು ಬ್ರೀತ್. ಸಿ, ವಿ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಅವರ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ ನೋಸ್. ಸೊ ನಾವು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನೋಸಿಂದ. ಸಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಫಿಂಗರ್ನ ನಿಮ್ಮ ನೋಸ್ ಹತ್ರ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಅಲ್ಲೇನಾಗ್ತಾಯಿದೆ, ಏರ್ನ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ, ಪಂಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ. ವಿ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೇಲ್ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಸೊ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್, ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು. ವಿ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ oxygen and exhale what, carbon dioxide. We need what, oxygen to breathe, isn't it? See, we breathe through our nose. Okay, see, and also dogs, cat, cow, tiger. See, these all animals also breathe through their nose. So lungs, so ನಮ್ಮ ಬಾಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತೆ, ಲಂಗ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಆರ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದೇರ್ ಲಂಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ನಮ್ಮ ನೋಸಿಂದ ನಾವು ಏರ್ನ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟು ಲಂಗ್ಸಿಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ, ಕೌ, ಓಕೆ, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಕೌ, ಡಾಗ್, ಲಯನ್, tiger. See, these are all animals. See, almost animals are breathe through their lungs. They inhale what, intake what, oxygen, and exit what, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಟ್ಮಾಸ್ಫಿಯರ್ಗೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಬಿಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ, some living organisms like a fish. Okay, see, you know, fish lives in water. Fish lives in water. See, fish breathe through their gills. See, fish breathe through their gills. ಸಿ, ಗಿಲ್ಸ್, ಇಲ್ಲೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಫಿಶ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಥ್ರೂ ದೇರ್ ಗಿಲ್ಸ್. ವಾಟ್ ವಿ ಕಾಲ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, gills. See this one, mouth, eye, fin. So in the previous session fish breathe through their fins. Fins ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು, ರೆಕ್ಕೆಗಳಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಿ. and this one is what, tail. See, fish breathe through their gills. As what about the insects like a grasshopper, mosquito? See, grasshopper, mosquito, and butterfly. Butterfly also breathe through there are tiny holes on their body. See, the insects like a see in the insects like a grasshopper, mosquito, butterfly ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅದರ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ, so there is tiny holes, so there are holes on there. For example, butterfly. Okay, shall we take example what? See, small tiny holes on their body. So ಅದ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಂತೆ ಬಾಡಿ ಮೇಲೆ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Through their hole they breathe. So mosquitoes and also then a grasshopper and then what a butterflies. See, these all breathe through their tiny holes. See, these tiny holes on their body. So ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ ಟೈನಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಆ ಹೋಲಿಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅದು ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಫಿಶ್ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಥ್ರೂ their gills. And then human beings, animals are breathe through their lungs, means a nose. So nose in the inhale, exhale ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ airನ and breathe through their lungs. And what about the plants? ಹಾಗಾದರೆ plants ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ breathe ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? See, okay, next plants breathe through their tiny holes. It's a present on the leaves, surface of the leaf. See, we all need oxygen to breathe, isn't it? So we all need what? Oxygen to breathe, but plants need carbon dioxide to breathe. See, plants need carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide means CO2. As you observe, human beings intake oxygen, release carbon dioxide, but plants intake carbon dioxide and release oxygen. Okay, see, next, plants breathe through their tiny holes. Plants breathe through their tiny holes are present on the surface of the leaf. Means, see, have seen the leaf. See, in leaf there are very tiny holes is present on the surface of a leaf. So leaf na ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ tiny holes ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದನ್ನು ನಾವೇನು ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ stomata. We call that it is what? Stomata. Very tiny hole we call stomata. Okay, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈನಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಿಂದ ಬ್ರೀತ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನಾವು ಲೀಫ್ನ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ನೋಡಿದ್ರೆ we cannot see that holes in our naked eyes. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಹೇಳಿದರೆ ಲೀಫ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟೈನಿ ಹೋಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತಂದರೆ ವಿ ಕ್ಯಾನಾಟ್ ಸಿ ವಿತ್ ಅವರ್ ನೇಕೆಡ್ ಐಸ್, ಅಂದರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಬರಿಗಣ್ಣಿಂದ ನಮಗೆ ಆ ಟೈನಿ ಹೋಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಣೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಸಿ ವಿ ಯೂಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ ಟು ಸಿ ದ ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ. ನಾವು ಸ್ಟೊಮ್ಯಾಟಾ ನೋಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ಲೀಫ್ contains, see leaf present, so surface of the leaf present of tiny holes is called what? Stomata. Okay, through the stomata plants are breathe. Stomata ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ plants breathe ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದೆ animals intake. See, animals all animals including human beings also including human beings also need what? Oxygen. Okay, so human beings also need what? Oxygen to breathe, and then it releases. Animals ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ತಗೊಳುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಲೀಸ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇದೇ ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್ನ ಯಾರು ತಗೋತಾರೆ ಬ್ರೀತಿಂಗ್ ಪರ್ಪಸ್ಸಿಗೆ? ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್. ಸಿ ದ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಇನ್ಹೇಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ ತಗೊಳ್ಳೋದು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಕ್ಸೆಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಸೊ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ take oxygen and release carbon dioxide, but plants take oxygen and releases what? Oxygen. Okay, next, see, all living organisms are go through the process of breathe. Say they need what? Air to breathe. See, all organisms need air to breathe. Okay, next is about living things can feel. Living things can feel. Living things can feel. Yes, all living organisms have sense organs. See, sense organs means eyes, nose, tongue, skin. See, we have a sense organs, isn't it? By the sense organs we can feel. But plants do not have any sense organs, so they don't have feel. See, for example, when you touch hot coffee, so when you touch hot coffee, what you do? So just immediately you just take your back of your hand. So ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ನೀವು ಒಂದು ಹಾಟ್ ಕಾಫಿನ ಟಚ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದಂಗೆ ಸಡನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕೈನ ಹಿಂದೆ ತೆಗಿತೀರಿ. ಯಾಕೆ? ಸಿ ಯು ಫೀಲ್ ವಾಟ್? ಹಾಟ್. You can feel hot, you can feel cold. So that's why immediately you respond for that, isn't it? But plants cannot. But animals also. So if you go to punish to animal, what they are doing? They go back. So ನೀವು ನಾಯಿಗೆ ಆಗಲಿ ಅಥವಾ ಬೆಕ್ಕಿಗಾಗಲಿ ಪನಿಷ್ ಮಾಡೋಕೆ ಹೋದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಓಡಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಹೆದರಿ ಓಡೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕೆನಾಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ insects also attract to lights. So always insects fly towards the light, isn't it? But non-living things cannot. See, if you fell the doll, what happens? Is that doll crying? No. ಅದೇ ಸಣ್ಣ ಮಗು ಏನಾದರೂ ಬಿದ್ದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಅಳುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪೆಟ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ, ಅಳುತ್ತೆ. ಅದೇ ಡಾಲ್ನ ಟಾಯ್ಸ್ನ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಕಸ್ಮಾತ್ ಮಿಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಡಾಲ್ ಏನಾದರೂ ಅಳುತ್ತಾ? ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ that doll is a what? Non-living things. Non-living cannot feel, but living things can feel. Feel ಅಂದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಪರ್ಶ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಆಗಲಿ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಯಾವುದೇ ಅನಿಮಲ್ ಆಗಲಿ, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಕೌ, ಎಲಿಫೆಂಟ್, ಡಾಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, ಓಕೆ, ದೇ ಫೀಲ್, ಬಟ್ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ನಾಟ್ ಫೀಲ್. Okay, for example, touch me not plant. See, when you touch that plants, they feel and they shut their leaves, isn't it? Only that plant. So now adana touch madidre enagutte? It closes, it shut their leaves. Okay, which plant? Touch me not plant means muttidre mune gida. Okay, next, living things can reproduce. Living things can reproduce. Okay. Yes, living things. See, all living things can reproduce. See, you know, all living things have a certain period of life. So ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂಥ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ದೇ ಗೋ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ದೇ ಅಂಡರ್ಗೋ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್. ಇಫ್ ದೇ ನಾಟ್ ಗೋ ದ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್, ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗನಿಸಮ್ಸಿಗೂ ಅದರದ್ದೇ ಆದಂತಹ ಏಜ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಆ ಏಜಲ್ಲಿ ಅದು ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಆ ಸ್ಪೀಷೀಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಶವಾಗಿ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಈಸ್ ವೆರಿ ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಟು ಆಲ್ ಲಿವಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್. all living organisms need what? Reproduce. All living organisms go the process of reproduction. If they not reproduce, that species will be extinct. Okay, what is reproduction? Reproduction means the process in which living organisms synthesis of their own kind is called reproduction. Reproduction means it is a process in which organisms synthesize of their own kind, of their own kind, synthesize or produce, okay, of their own kind. For example, elephant. So elephant, small elephant give birth, reproduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. And next dog reproduce small dog. Okay, next see reproduction in animals. See reproduction in animals in a two types. Reproduction in animals is in a animals reproduce in two types. First one, animals reproduce through giving birth to young ones. Giving birth to young ones. Okay, next one, laying eggs. Next one is what? Laying eggs. Laying eggs means ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮರಿ ಮಾಡೋದು. ಸಿ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್, ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ones and also some animals are laying eggs. ಸಿ ಗಿವಿಂಗ್ ಬರ್ತ್ ಟು ಯಂಗ್ ones ಅಂದರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮರಿ ಹಾಕೋದು. ಡಾಗ್, ಕ್ಯಾಟ್, cow, elephant, lion, tiger, cheetah, leopard, these are going to birth the young ones. So ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? ಮರಿ ಹಾಕುತ್ತೆ. But laying eggs, see laying eggs means for example birds. See hen, so hen, next peacock, crow, peacock. First they are going to laying eggs. So ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಡುತ್ತೆ. ಮೊಟ್ಟೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಕಾವು ಕೊಟ್ಟು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮರಿ ಹಾಕತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಸ್ನೇಕ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ, ಲಿಸರ್ಡ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇನ್ಸೆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಗ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ಲೇಯಿಂಗ್ ಎಗ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಲು ಬರ್ಡ್ಸ್, snake, next insects, then crocodile, tortoise. See, these are all the example for animals laying eggs. They reproduce through laying eggs. Birds agli, snakes, insects, crocodile, frog, these are all go reproduce through laying eggs. But cow, dog, elephant, they are giving birth to young ones. Okay, what about human beings? Human beings also giving birth to young ones. Okay, and next plants. Yes, plants also reproduce. So plants ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ? reproduce ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. See, plants reproduce through seeds and other parts. See, the plants are reproduced through seeds and other parts. parts. See, plants are reproduced through seeds. Seeds ಅಂದರೆ ಬೀಜಗಳಿಂದ. ಸೊ ಬೀಜಗಳಿಂದ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಸ್ ವೆಲ್ ಆಸ್ plants reproduce through other parts. See, for example, plants reproduce through stem, leaf, roots also. Plants can reproduce through leaf, stem and roots. For example, seeds. See, ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಬೀಜ ಹಾಕ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಸನ್ಫ್ಲವರ್ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ನಾವು ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಎಸ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ನೀವು ಕಾಳುಗಳು, ಸೊ ಮನೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಅಮ್ಮ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ, ಕಾಳನ್ನ ನೆನೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರಲ್ವ, ಸೊ ಕಾಳನ್ನ ನೆನೆ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಸೋಪ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸಿ ಆ ಮೊಳಕೆನ ನಾವು ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿಟ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಅದು ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಸೀಡ್ಸಿಂದ. ವಾಟ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್? ಸಿ ಅದರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್. See, stem of the potato plant. See, potato plant is a stem. So when we put that potato plant, potato ನಾವು ಗಿಡದಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಬಂದಿರೋಂಥ ಪೊಟ್ಯಾಟೋನ ನಾವು ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಒನ್ ಮೋರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಇಸ್ ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸಿ ನೀವು ನೋಡಿರ್ತೀರಿ ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ನ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ನ, ವಿ ಕಟ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ರೋಸ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ಸಣ್ಣ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಪೆರಿನ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಿಂದ ಸಮ್ ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ನ ನಾವು ತಗೊಂಡು ನೆಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಹೂತ್ರೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಡ್ಡಿನ ನಾವು ಹೂತ್ರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸ್ಟೆಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಲೀವ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಬ್ರಯೋಫಿಲಮ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸಿ ಬ್ರಯೋಫಿಲಮ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಫ್ಲೆಶ್ ಅಂಡ್ thicky stem, thick and fleshy leaf. See, in the edge of these leaves small plants are growing. ಸೊ ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಸಣ್ಣ ಮೊಳಕೆ ಥರ ಗಿಡ ಆಗಿ ಬಂದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ when that parts contact with the soil, it will be grow as a new plant. See, for example, ಬ್ರಯೋಫಿಲಮ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದರ ಲೀಫಲ್ಲಿ ಸಣ್ಣ ಗಿಡ ಬೆಳೆದಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಗಿಡ ಏನಾದರೂ ಮಣ್ಣಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿತ್ತು ಅಂತ ಅಂದರೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆ್ಯಸ್ ಎ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್. ಸೊ ರಿಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ರೂಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, ನ್ಯೂ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಗ್ರೋ ಆಗೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಸಮ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್, ನಾಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಪ್ಲ್ಯಾಂಟ್ಸ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. Okay, my dear students, today we discussed about living things can breathe, living things can feel, and living things can reproduce, isn't it? And next, see, living things can breathe. See, all living organisms need what? Air to breathe. Some living organisms, example cow, dog, man, are breathe through their lungs, and some animals like a fish breathe through their gills. And next, plants breathe through their tiny holes is called stomata. And then mosquito, butterfly, grasshoppers are breathe through their tiny holes. It's present on their body. Okay, and all living organisms like animals and human beings intake oxygen, release carbon dioxide, but plants intake carbon dioxide and releases what? Oxygen. Okay, and all living things need food. Yes, all living things need food to survive their life. To live they need what? Food. See, plants can prepare their own food, but animals cannot. See, all animals including human beings also depend food for plants. Okay, some animals are directly depend on plants and some animals are indirectly depend on plants for their food. Okay, next, animals can feel. See, animals have a sense organs. See, through the sense organs they can feel, but plants cannot. Okay, some example for some one of the example for plants that it is a touch me not plant. See, when we touch that a leaf, when we touch the plant's leaf, it shut their leaves. And animals can reproduce, means all organisms can reproduce. See, animals are reproduced through giving birth to young ones or laying eggs. Some animals are going through the reproduce through giving birth to young ones. Example, cow, dog, elephant, zebra, these all. And some animals are laying eggs. Example, birds, snake, lizards, next crocodile, tortoise. These are all the example for egg laying animals. Okay, my dear students, thank you.